Okay, this is part 2 omayelana nokulungiseka kwelindelane. Ama-leaders anikhohlisile mayethi anazi impendulo. I'm not here because I have all the answers, but I'm here because I have all the answers esiqalo sokulungiseka kwelindelane. If we die together. If we sigwiliza ndawonye. Let me start from i-foundation yezinto. As I said kule video yami yokuqala ukuthi into eyinkinga ngelindelane i-spirituality sakhona. So masilungisa i-spirituality sizokwazi to move forward. Izinto eyishaya ilindelane izinto zakamoya are the unseen things, izinto esingayiboni ngamehlo enyama, but we do see ama-results. So ukuhlupheka it's a symptom yokuthi kukhona into wrong kamoya. I've made a study sayo yonke into sokuthi how to break a generational curse, because ilindelane ishawa ilonto, it's a generational curse. Omkhulu bethu ababephethe ilindelane, there are some things they did ezehlele kuthina zase zazoshaya thina njengengane zaselindelane. That's why inkinga yethu common. Sibulawa izifo, sibulawa inhlupheko, impilo yethu ayindawo. It's because singabandawonye. So before nje nginitshele ngezandla, ngithe wathi ngiqale nginitshele ngomoya, ngisuke emoyeni ngingene engqondweni mase ngigcina ngezandla. Kuningi esizokwenza okuthinta izandla. Siyazi ukuthi ilindelane inenkinga yetamkoko, ziyavuza everywhere. Siyazi ukuthi ilindelane inenkinga yamanzi. But though we have strategies okulungisa lezo zinto. But lezo zinto the reason why kulibele kuphazamiseke ukuthi zilunge, kuneyinkinga, kunama frustrations, it's because kuneyinkinga lapha kamoya nasengqondweni.